Okay guys, I got a 2024 Kia Forte. I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter. Open the glove box door, remove everything in there, otherwise it will fall out. From there, these pieces right here, I'm going to turn it to the right until it pops off. There's two of them. That will enable the glove box door to go all the way down, except we have to remove this piece right here first. So just pop that off and this will come all the way down. From there, our glove box is right there, our cover. Pinch these two pieces on both sides to remove it, and there is your cabin air filter. Airflow is pointing down. Pull it out, see if it needs replaced, replace it if needed, clean it out with some compressed air. This one's kind of bad, so I'm gonna probably replace it or blow it out. But yeah, just make sure when you put it back in, the airflow is pointed down. And I'm gonna link one in the description for you. That's a lot cheaper than what you would get at the store or the dealership. But hopefully that helps. Thanks for watching.